Good afternoon and welcome to What's on My Desk. So I want to highlight one of the processes that we use in our workshop, and that is computer-aided design. So what this entails is I will do a design by hand, top view, front view, side view, and three-dimensionally, and then it'll go to our computer-aided designer, who will then generate an image digitally, and from there we will cast a jewelry piece from a printable file. So during that process of design, we have multiple stages in which we can improve on the design. So whilst I'm drawing, I will maximize the design. Once the CAD designer has put the image together, I will reassess the design and make some changes. Or is there a small thing that we can pay attention to during the finishing touches that will improve the design even more? So I have 3 examples for you here. The client had bought a pair of 18 karat hoops. These are imported from Italy, and we had designed a pair of gemstone clusters that will be dangling from these hoops. And now the gemstone clusters, that's also cast in 18 karat gold, is a slightly different color to that of the hoops. Now, I could say that's not my business, I didn't supply the hoops, or I can have a look and see, is there a metal finishing technique that we can apply to just make sure that the color differentiation between the hoops and the charms are not that obvious. Then the next example that I have is a signet ring that we've cast for a client. It's going to get a beautiful light blue gemstone set in the middle of it. But what we didn't do is we didn't cut a hole at the back of the stone. Then they'll question the design and say, well, why is my stone gone dull? And the answer is, well, you can't clean your stone, so it's important for it to have a back hole. Now, this is something that was overlooked in the early stages of the design, but we can still make that change now. And then the final one that I have here as an example is a piece that we designed and cast with the intention to still add a second detail by hand once we get it on the bench. Now, the very important thing for me when I communicate to the workshop on a job like this is keep me in the loop at every single stage of making a decision, because I'm not 100% sure that the methodology that I am suggesting here will give us the best results. So I want to be involved in every step to make sure that we give the client what they, not only give the client what they want, but absolutely exceed their expectations.